Welcome back.
Hey, how's it going? Peanut butter Captain Crunch bars with
Reese's Pieces.
Get it.
Nation. So yeah, we're gonna make something very decadent and peanut buttery here for you. Obviously, we're not using the whole thing though, so don't worry. If you're allergic to peanuts, obviously this is not for you, so don't eat this.
Don't do this.
Sorry though, because it's gonna be really good. So we got
Peanut butter.
Butter, salted butter.
Salted, melted butter, or salted butter first, sorry.
Yeah. Captain Crunch.
Captain Crunch. Baby. 10 Reese's peanut butter cups that got melted in the truck on the way here. And mini marshmallows.
Stay tuned, obviously, to see what we do with all this.
This is how we do it.
All right, so first you're gonna take, well, you can pre-melt it if you want, or you can just throw the stick in there, whatever.
Half stick of butter. We prefer Kerrygold.
Kerrygold is thebomb.com.
Not a sponsor yet.
But you could be Kerrygold. Holler at us. All right, so we're gonna pour that in there, and now we're going to do. So next, after you put in the butter, you're gonna put in 1 whole cup of smooth peanut butter. Look at that. Look at that.
You can't go wrong with butter and peanut butter.
Duh.
Butter from cows, butter from nuts.
Okay, all right, whatever you say. So we're gonna let that melt down, and then we'll tell you obviously what to do next, so.
4 cups or a crack bag of marshmallows. Mini marshmallows. All up in your nice melted peanut butter and regular Kerrygold salted butter mixture. Look at that. Get that nice and melty. It's gonna be the glue that binds this bar together.
The glue.
It's gonna be messy, ooey, gooey.
Scrum-diddly-umptious?
Scrum-diddly-umptious.
All right, so we've got this all melted down and just looking sexy as hell.
Real good.
So now we're gonna remove it from the heat and add in the Captain Crunch.
Yep.
Sorry, I'm putting it in my place.
We have 6 cups of Captain Crunch. You can use store-bought.
All right, we're gonna start.
That's 3. Get them going.
Mixing that around. All right, put the Reese's Pieces in there.
You want 10 cups of Reese's peanut butter cups. Mine melted in the back of the truck, but you're supposed to chop them all up. We chopped them up before this. Yeah, they're melted. You can wait until the day you do it, or you can do it the day before.
Whatever you want to do.
We'll figure it out. I'm gonna try to break them up a little bit.
Ooh.
I told you, it's all in this.
It's chunky.
It is chunky.
Yeah, every last bit. There we go. All right.
All right. Trust me, it's good. It tastes the same.
All right, so now we've got it all mixed up. Look at that, just ooey gooey. And so we're gonna pour it into this very large pan.
We'll spread this out thin and nice and even for you, and we'll come back with that topping. Add a 1/3 of a cup. This is a 4th cup, but I made it heaping, so you know how it works.
It's fine.
It's perfect. I've given up measuring a long time.
We're gonna stir that up.
Ooh. What are you doing?
Woo! I got a little happy with the spoon. All right, so we're stirring this up. This is fun.
Yeah, dismount.
This is what it looks like. Just beautiful. I just want you to know. All right, drizzle it on there.
Are we doing spoon drizzles or bowl drizzles?
Spoon drizzles.
Okay.
Look at that. Just look at that. Look.
You can't go wrong. Like you can
hit that. Oh yeah. All right.
That's good.
So
we let that beautiful thing let sit
for an hour in the fridge.
And
we will show you the finished product shortly.
Finished product.
Here it is.
An hour later in the fridge, you get these delicious looking bad boys right here.
Oh my god.
Right.
Yo, these are so fire.
This doesn't even make any sense how good these are.
It's so good.
I suggest drop any other recipes that we said to try and try this one first.
That one.
This is going to be a hit anywhere you go. Try them right now. Bye. Go make it.